as life goes on,
I'm starting to learn more and more about responsibility.
I realize everything I do,
It's affecting the people around me.
so I want to take this time out
To apologize for things that I've done
and things that have not occurred yet.
and things that don't want to take responsibility for.
I'm sorry for the times I left you home. I was on the road and you were alone. I'm sorry for the times that I had to go. I'm sorry for the fact that I did not know that you were sitting home just wishing we could go back to when it was you and me. I'm sorry for the times I would neglect. I'm sorry for the times I disrespect. I'm sorry for the wrong things that I've done. I'm sorry I'm not always there for my son. I'm sorry for the fact that I'm not aware. The chickens sleep the night when I am not there. Because I'm in the streets like every day. Sorry for the things that I did not say, like how you are the best thing in my world, and I'm so proud to call you my girl. I understand that there's some problems, and I'm not too blind to know all the pain you get inside you, even though you might not show. If I can apologize for being wrong, then it's just a shame on me. I'll be the reason for your pain, and you can put the blame on me. So you can put the blame on me. So you can put the blame on me. You can put the blame on me. You can put the blame on me. So you can put the blame on me. So you can put the blame on me. You can put the blame on me. So you can put the blame on me. Ave yellow leo patauba. Emomolia isafa matalanga. Pa uole salai lo neitangata. Ayusi mai lo fa fonga. Tele mea sa o fai. Esele sa o ilawai. Pa le tonu la foia ile tai. Tala e fai ele tu sai. Ua o loa ne ile leanga. O amionga le patanga o le faia. Onga o loa o au. Au ikala fo ifia kama sao. Pai mea onga le se me sao. Kama ile longo la kapima ipapo. O loa ne i o le fa ama walalo. Le fa alo alo ua ave ila.